Yo, what's going on guys? Mr. Grails here, back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be counting down the top 5 Louis Vuitton and Supreme items of all time. Before we get into this video, please leave a like, a comment and also subscribe. And if you do like these kind of videos, I've got a whole catalogue of top 5 videos on my channel. So after this video, please sure to check it out and let's get into the video. So this collaboration with Louis Vuitton was probably Supreme's most iconic collaboration. This comes down to two factors. Factor one being Louis Vuitton is a designer brand and obviously Supreme is a skateboard brand, so it was sort of weird to see these two collab. And also reason number two is Louis Vuitton rarely ever does collaborations. Like I think they've done an NBA collaboration and also like a League of Legends collaboration, but to be fair, like Louis Vuitton rarely ever does collaborations with other brands, so it was just a bonus that Supreme actually got this collaboration. So this collaboration was released in 2017 and this just solidifies my argument how 2017 was the best year for Supreme. Like in 2017, Supreme was literally on top of the world. They had the best collaborations, the best like releases, like literally Supreme couldn't do wrong in 2017. But anyway, let's get into this top 5 video. So coming in at the number 5 spot, we have the Louis Vuitton Supreme coat. To be fair, this is probably one of my most favorite items of this collaboration. Like compared to the other items in this collaboration, like it's not really too loud like in terms of like the color. Like it's sort of like a faded sort of like denim color, which I really like. And also what else I like about this item is it's got Louis Vuitton like written all over it, and also within the Louis Vuitton logos you've got like Supreme going through it. I just think that's a good touch, and to be fair, just by looking at this coat I can tell that it's like a good material. And speaking of material, RIP to whatever animal is on that hood, because fuck me, that is a lot of fur. Shout out my animal lovers out there. So when it comes to pricing for this coat, the retail for it is 4,000. However, the resale for this is upwards of 10,000. So yeah, it's not a cheap item. So yeah, not a cheap item, but regardless, still a nice looking item. So that was the number 5 spot. Coming in at the number 4 spot, we have the Louis Vuitton Supreme backpack. And this came in two colorways, a red one and a black one. But in my personal opinion, I do rate the red one more, just for the simple fact that it just stands out a little bit more. And with the black one, like it says Supreme down the middle, but it's also black, so you can't really see like the Supreme logo too much. And what I like about this item is they used a very popular Louis Vuitton bag as like the sample for it, and then obviously they've just added like Supreme on it afterwards. And also when it comes to like the design aspect of this bag, like I do like the little 2 pockets it has on the side, and also the straps that it has coming down the middle. I think that's a very cool touch, because to be fair, like I feel like it adds more style to like the bag. Like say if it was just a normal just dead bag, like I don't think it would look as nice.
Oh, hell no!
So the retail for this bag is also 4,000. But however, the resale for this is upwards of 8,000. So yeah, not cheap again. So that was a backpack. Coming in at the number 4 spot. Coming in at the number 3 spot, we have the Louis Vuitton Supreme leather jacket. And this is probably one of the most popular items from this collaboration, and for good reason as well. Literally, this jacket has Louis Vuitton written all over it, and as the colour, obviously they chose the Supreme red, which in my personal opinion, I think that is a very good touch. Like it just shows both parts of the brand, obviously the Louis Vuitton print and the Supreme red. And I can't lie, this is a very loud jacket. Like this is very perfect for people that like to tell other people that they wear designer. But regardless, still a very cool item, and if I had the chance to have this item, I would take that chance in a heartbeat. And also what I like about this item is on the back of it, it has like a little Supreme spell out, and I think that's a very cool little touch. So when it comes to the pricing of this item, the retail was 4,500, which in my opinion I think that's a bit cheap for the Louis Vuitton, because if you think about it, like it's leather as well, and I would have thought it would have been upwards of like 8,000, but no, it's 4,000, which is a decent price. Actually, I'm lying, 4,000 for a jacket is disgusting. Disgusting! But what is even more disgusting is the resale. The resale for this thing is 15,000 upwards. So obviously 15,000 is a low end. And yeah, that's all I really have to say about this jacket. Very clean jacket. Yeah, and just I like this jacket all round. A heavy item. Okay, cool. So coming in at the number 2 spot, we have the Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo. And I'm not talking about the t-shirt, I'm actually talking about the hoodie. And you must be smoking like paper or something if you think I wasn't going to put this in the list. Like obviously a box logo being Supreme's like most popular item, and obviously the iconic Louis Vuitton print, like these two items going together, like it's just a crazy like representation of the two brands. This hoodie is very similar to the jacket that I previously mentioned, in the terms of it has Louis Vuitton written all over it and it's Supreme red. And the reason why I picked this item over the jacket was because it's a box logo. So yeah, I don't really have to say too much on that. To be fair, like comparing this to other box logos, I do feel like this was a very good take on the box logo. But however, I would have liked to see like a different sort of colorway, maybe like a white colorway or something. And a fun fact, David Beckham's son actually got gifted this box logo, but it wasn't just this box logo, it was this box logo in brown. And I believe that this was the only Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo in brown that they ever did. So yeah, unlucky for everyone that isn't David Beckham's son. Okay, cool. So the retail for this thing was 1,000, and the resale for this is anywhere from 5,000 to 15,000. And yeah, that's going to be enough for the box logo. Like I said, a very cool item, deserves the number 2 spot. Okay, cool. So before the number 1 spot, I'm going to give a couple of honorable mentions that didn't quite make the list, but I did want to put in this video. So yeah, without further ado, here's the honorable mentions. Okay, cool. So that was honorable mentions. Coming in at the number 1 spot, we have the Louis Vuitton Supreme Skateboard. And I can't lie, this item just goes stupidly crazy. Like, it just has the best of both brands. Like, it's just a crazy item. And probably the most craziest thing about this item isn't even the item, it's probably the price tag of this item. Okay, cool. So the retail for this thing is 50,000, and I can't believe I'm saying that. Like 50,000 for a skateboard. Like, are you feeling alright, Louis? And to be fair, I don't think you're ready for the resale for this item, because I wasn't even ready like myself. But the resale for this item is 150,000. Like, who the hell is spending that much money on a skateboard? Like, please tell me, because I would go up to them and I'd ask them for like some money, you know what I mean? Because that is a ridiculous amount to spend on a skateboard. But that being said, it is Louis Vuitton and it really does look nice. But regardless, you're not spending that much on a skateboard, like, come on now. But anyway, with this item, it has the same design as the jacket and the box logo. It's just got Louis Vuitton all over it, and it's got the Supreme red as the background. Very cool item, very nice, I can't even lie. And also, if you did buy this skateboard, you wasn't just buying the skateboard. This skateboard also came in like a trunk. And if you know Louis Vuitton, they are most famous for their like luggage / like trunks. So yeah, it was a very cool addition to the skateboard. But regardless, it still doesn't justify the price tag on it. And I can't lie, like even with the trunk and the skateboard, like this is just a very good representation of the two brands. A very good collaboration in general. And to be fair, like this design probably looks the best on the skateboard. Like I do like it on the box logo, but I do believe that it does look better on the skateboard. And like I said, like it's just a very good mix of both brands, because obviously Louis Vuitton is known for their like trunks, and obviously Supreme is a skateboard brand. So a very good collaboration just as a whole. And yeah, that's all I really have to say. So yeah, that's going to wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And yeah, until next time, I'm out.